Hi guys, imagine a 1 billion Kenya shillings blunder. What you're seeing at the very tail end there is part of the Kiserian Dam, which I want to talk to you about. It is a dam located in Kiserian, outskirts of Kiserian town in Kiserian, Kajiado County. And of course, as you can see, the neighboring area also is very awesome because at the extreme end there, you can see the Ngong Hills, which are awesome places to visit too when you're in Kiserian. And of course, also in town, you can come down this other side and also see Kiserian Dam. But this dam has a story. Let's go down for you to be able to understand what I'm talking about. I'm walking down as I talk to you about this particular dam. So be very careful because guys, I mean it. This is a 1 billion Kenya shillings blunder. And I'm saying so because this particular dam was built between 2008 and 2013 by the government of Kenya. Unfortunately, this dam is not useful, even though it was actually planned to be one of the biggest and actually one of the most useful dams in the country. Reason being, this particular dam was planned to support over 230,000 people in Kajiado County, and also it could be having upwards of 15,000 cubic liters of water. But the crazy thing is that this dam was constructed at a wrong place. Think about it. A wrong location for dam to be constructed at. What we're seeing right here. And we're saying so because this dam relies on seasonal rivers. And so with that, it is a very huge challenge because it only means that this dam can't actually be able to be at full capacity, and with that, it also means that it is not useful. That's the sad state of this particular dam. It is not useful because it was constructed at a wrong location, right? That's how insane that is. Imagine a 1 billion shilling investment by the government of Kenya not being useful because it was constructed at a wrong location. How is that so? That's how insane it is, but that's the reality. Guys, this is the Kiserian Dam. Let me zoom it for you to be able to see it very well, right? Let me try and zoom it in for you. This, guys, is the Kiserian Dam. And this actually highlights to us a challenge we normally face as a country, okay? Whereby we see sometimes our natural resources, our construction projects being underutilized because of different reasons. For this particular case, it was a construction blunder. It being constructed at the wrong place, which in effect made it quite a challenge for it to be useful. And with that, over 200,000 residents of Kajiado County, which actually is one also of the counties in the country which is affected by perennial drought, are in a state whereby they continuously suffer because of this particular blunder. Do you think this is a big injustice to the citizens of the country? Do you think this is a big injustice to the citizens of Kajiado County? Because what you're seeing there as part of the Kajiado, this particular Kiserian Dam could really have benefited many more people, but that's not the case because of that blunder. Think about a dam constructed 18 meters deep and it having the capacity to serve over 200,000 people in the country, not attaining its potential. And of course, even where it is an awesome, beautiful scenery. You know, as I've told you, this other side, you can see the beautiful Ngong Hills, okay? Its location is very, very awesome. And the dam's location was very strategic, or it was planned to be at a very strategic location for it to be able to serve many citizens, for which it isn't the case. What do you think about this? Comment down below. Do you think this is one of the biggest blunders ever made? Of course, as a country, we saw the highlights, for example, in Kimaror Dam and other dams during the tenure of the Treasury CS, Henry Rotich, about 5 years ago or so. But this is a key dam, which I think we need to highlight on, because personally, I think this is also a blunder which has really costed people of Kajiado a big deal. What do you all think? Share your thoughts down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing down there because I think, guys, this dam could have had more potential which it doesn't have because of that particular blunder of it being built at a wrong location, and most of the government investing 1 billion shillings for this particular dam. What do you all think? Thanks a lot. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.